Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use a VPN for WeChat. First thing you need to do is to start by signing up for a reliable VPN service, and we recommend NordVPN for speed, security, and ease of use. Just download and install the VPN app on your device. Then most VPNs allow at least 5 devices connected, so you have time. Now, open the VPN app, which is the NordVPN app, and log in or sign up for a new account. Now connect to a server of your choice. Since WeChat is available in most countries, the location doesn't matter much, but to be sure, just choose the location as China. For speed, choose a server close to your actual location, and if not, just choose China. Now, open your WeChat app or use the web version when you're connected to the VPN. Log in or sign up for a new account and you'll be able to chat normally no matter where you are in the world. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.